the software was designed around delivering commercialisation. The first point with commercialisation is you've got to plan for the current fleet that's using the workshop facilities. If you don't really know on a day how much capacity you've got, you don't know what you're going to sell, and you could be in a potential of having people sat around or overselling and not being able to deliver a service. So the planning aspect is so important, and in fact the project that we ran, it wasn't seen how important it was at the start, and we had to re-loop back round and bring that in. So the first part of our software that delivers is the planning facility. So the planning facility allows you to plan what vehicles are going to be in on what day and how long they're going to be in for, so that you know the capacity to be able to sell. Now the second part of the software is about actually selling that. So you're setting up customers and you're setting up their fleets and the vehicles that are going to come in, and you allow them to ring in and to book a vehicle in, to be able to book into a place, to a garage that's got capacity to do it, to pick up the job, to record that, and to give the information back from FleetFocus to allow people to get updates, to understand when your vehicle is going to be able to be delivered back to you and what those potential costs are going to be. So the FleetFocus software manages all those aspects to be able to deliver that back.